Alright, buckle up, folks, because we've got a real rollercoaster of a story. So, picture this, a super slick, invisible thief chilling in some faraway land. He's got mad skills, never gets busted, but guess what? Dude's feeling totally empty. Like he's missing the special sauce in his life. Then, bam, he stumbles upon a monk, wise, kind, the whole package. Thief spills the beans, asks for a life upgrade, and the monk's like, ditch the stealing. But our thief? He's stubborn. Can't do it. Gimme a loophole, master. The monk ponders, deep in thought, and then booms, fine, keep stealing, but at least treat every woman. Listen up, folks. So, this sneaky thief hears some wisdom. Treat every woman like your mama or sis. The thief's like, deal, and suddenly, bam. New life motto unlocked, respect women. Meanwhile, in the same kingdom, the king's got no kids and is super grumpy. He's banished the queen to a forest palace, guarded tighter than Fort Knox. Nobody gets near her, seriously, nobody. And the guards have orders to report any weirdness straight to the king. Oh, things are about to get interesting. Hold on to your hats, folks. Our sneaky thief, totally clueless, is strolling past this mega fancy palace, serious bling. He's thinking, jackpot. This place is loaded. Little does he know, it's the queen's crib. He tiptoes in, ninja style. Guards spot him, bam, king's alerted. He's peeking through the window, what's this rascal up to? Inside, our thief's rummaging for treasure when the queen wakes up. But get this, no screaming. She's cool as a cucumber. She calmly says, hey, I'm the queen, and I know why you're here. Hold on to your hats, folks. We've got a sneaky little thief, caught red-handed. What are you doing here? Did you try to steal, have not you? The queen herself caught him, oh dear. He's begging, please, oh please, don't tell the king. But the queen, with a glint in her eye, says, I could save you, even make you rich. But I need something in return. This thief is probably thinking, jackpot. But here's where things get wild. The queen, abandoned and lonely, drops a bomb. I want you to, well, let's just say I have needs and I want you to be with me physically just for once. The thief is flawed. Talk about an unexpected offer. Gold, the queen. Monk's words echoed in his mind. Respect every woman. Remembering his promise, his eyes filled with a sense of dignity, he folded his hands and gently said, you are like a mother to me. I have made a vow to my master to treat every woman with respect, like a mother or sister. Please only ask of me what a son can do for his mother. The queen was speechless, her eyes welled up with tears. No one had spoken to her with such reverence. Outside, the king had witnessed everything. He immediately entered with his guards and had the thief arrested. But instead of ordering punishment to the thief, the king found himself deeply moved by the thief's integrity. The thief was proud to the royal palace. Hold on to your crowns, folks. So, this dude gets arrested, right? But bam, the king's like, dude, I dig your vibe. Punishment? Nah, name your price. And get this, the guy, cool as a cucumber, says, Your Majesty, bring the queen back. She deserves the royal treatment. The king's speechless. Hits him like a ton of bricks, he realizes he's the one who messed up. Boom, remorse floods in, and with a heart bursting. Hold on to your crowns, folks. The queen, not one to hold a grudge, not only accepted the king's apology and return invitation, but she threw a curveball. She dropped a bombshell wish, adopting the young thief as their son. Can you believe it? The king, stunned. But, after a dramatic pause, he realized this kid's got the right stuff. Strength, discipline, wisdom, the whole shebang. A ruler in the making. And just like that, the young thief became royalty. Alright, buckle up buttercups. This ain't no fairy tale, it's a transformation tale. This cat started out as a mere thief, but guess what? He was just crowned the prince. I know, right? Crazy. We all crave the royal treatment, the bling, the meaning, but let's be honest, luck? Forget about it. Real change starts with one clear principle. Just one unwavering rule, followed with gusto, can totally flip your script. No principles? You are just spinning your wheels like a hamster on overdrive, busy but going nowhere. This sneaky dude, he picked one heck of a doozy, treating every woman like his own mama or sis. Seems small? Think again. He stuck to it, honest to goodness, and bam. From sticky fingers to royal fingers. A guy who was stealing is now a prince. Hold on to your hats, folks. This fella didn't just stumble into being a crown prince, oh no. He earned it, not through some lucky break or brute force, but by standing for something. It's the same game for us. Student, worker, dream chaser, doesn't matter. Pick one principle, just one that's your North Star. Honesty, grit, good vibes, maybe just dodging the drama. Stick to it. One solid value, lived consistently, gives you laser focus, a clear path, and the strength to keep going. So, grab a principle, hold on tight, and watch your life explode with awesome. It might take a minute, but when it blooms, it'll be epic. Even fate will be like, whoa, look at that.